Hey, so the question is, how do you make money with affiliate marketing? So basically, as an affiliate, you're going to be running traffic to an offer that you don't own, and you'll get paid whenever a sale is made. So let's have a look at this on the kind of Funalytics whiteboard here. So let's say, as an example, you find an offer, and we'll call this, I don't know, maybe it's a diet. So it's a weight loss offer. And this is somebody who's got a program already, and they're really good at teaching people how to lose weight. And maybe this program costs like, I don't know, let's say it's a high ticket one. It costs $997. And of that, the owner of the program says, okay, I'm going to get affiliates, like guys like you and me, gals like you, we're going to pay them like 50% of that $997. So you'll basically get like $498.50 for every single sale. So if you think about it that way, you can make a lot of money with this, because if you go here and you go at even getting like one sale a day, so you got $997 times half, $498. Then if you got one sale a day for 30 days, that's not bad. That's like $15,000. So now let's say you want to run traffic to this. So you want to start up maybe a Facebook ad. So you can go here and you go to Facebook and drag this one over. And you want to run traffic to this weight loss offer. The only thing is you can't do it like I have on the screen. You can't go right from Facebook to the offer. They don't like that. Facebook doesn't really like affiliates, to be honest. So what you have to do is you have to build what's called a landing page. So I'm going to put this in here in between you and the actual offer. Now, the best way to make money with affiliate marketing is to make that an opt-in page. So you go like this. You go from Facebook ad to the opt-in page, which then goes to the offer directly. So your opt-in page can be anything you want. You could give away an ebook, or you could give away a discount off the offer, or you could send them to a free training. So say the offer is about how to get a beach body in 90 days. And you're into that, you're into the fitness niche, you're kind of fit, but you don't have your own offer, so you want to send them to other people's. Well, you could create an opt-in page, and you could do that using ClickFunnels or lead pages or something like even a Google website. Did you know Google has their own websites? They do. So if you go here, and you go here, and you go Google, I probably typed that wrong, but Google has their own free websites, which is crazy. Yeah, you can build your own website. I think it's just google.com/website. I can't remember the domain. No. But they do have their own. I can't find it right now. So you could build that opt-in page on there, or you could use something like ClickFunnels, which is here. ClickFunnels is meant for this kind of thing. The only problem with ClickFunnels is they're like, I think they're $97 a month now, which is insane. But you could build it there, or you could use something called lead pages, which is a competitor. And these guys will do it too, where you can build a site, start a free trial, watch a demo. Basically allows you to build a free one. Or you could use this one, WordPress.org. And you can get it here, or is this the one? One of these allows you to have your own free site on there. It might be WordPress.com, I can't remember. But you make that opt-in page on there. And now what you've got too, when you're trying to make money with affiliate marketing, is you've got the best asset ever. So if you know that you want to sell weight loss offers, then you can create an opt-in list, an opt-in page, which will put people onto a list and then just redirect them right through to like the actual offer itself. Or you could even have an opt-in page and then a thank you page, and then your email will send them the offer. But it's not just going to send them one offer. So this could be like this. Instead of the weight loss offer being here, I'll move that over and I delete this. And you could go like this to, here it is, thank you page. Like so. So you could just run a Facebook ad to an opt-in And a thank you page, it could be anything you give them for free, something for free on the opt-in page. Some guys now are doing a lot of self-liquidating offers, which just means you charge like $7 or $27 for the offer. The key is you're building up this email list. And then with the email list over here, I'll show you. With this list now, you can now email your weight loss offer. And then not only that, you can email another weight loss offer, number 2. Number 2, right? So you can email that, and then you can email that. Oops. Can't have more than one, I guess. There it is. So you got weight loss offer number 1 going here, number 2 going here, and then you got number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way out, as many as you want. And you can just keep on emailing these people, and all these offers could be different amounts too. But the really cool part is, now originally you paid to get that person on your list, right, over here. But once they're on your list, you can market to them over and over and over and over again. And this is where the money's made right here, is with the email. So it's not really made on the initial opt-in, it's more made on the email list. Now, if you have a big email list in the weight loss niche, you're now going to be in big demand. People are going to they're going to actually approach you, and they're going to say like, hey, I got this weight loss offer, I want you to run it. Or the offer could be anything. Like, it doesn't have to be weight loss. If you're wondering, okay, well, where do I get all of these offers? Well, you get these offers from affiliate networks. And if you go to Google and you type in affiliate networks, there's a long list of them. So we'll go here. 10 best affiliate, there you go, right there, pretty recent one. So share sales, an example. AWIN, formerly affiliate window, guess they just shortened it. You can use Amazon. Now Amazon, I like and I don't like because they don't pay very much, but if you send people through your Amazon link, then whatever they buy in their cart, you get paid for. So if they go there to buy, like, say, in this example, like a Fire Stick, and then they buy like a Beats headphones for like $250. Well, you're gonna get the commission on the Beats headphone too, which is very cool. Or whatever else they have in their cart. Works very well around Christmas time. You can see all the different percentages from Amazon. A lot of YouTubers tend to go with Amazon, and I don't think it's the best one. There's CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, which is another huge one. I don't know why more people don't use this in the online world. Well, they do, but it's huge. So they have like 2,696 different merchants. Rakuten Marketing, formerly Linkshare. So Rakuten is apparently taken over. They bought Linkshare. Of course, they went to that. I haven't heard of this one. ClickBank is another huge one. Just gigantic. There's even guys that have big courses on how to do affiliate marketing with ClickBank. But what I just showed you right back here is the basic gist. I mean, you build up your email list and then you sell offers through your email list. That's how you do it. So that's the best way. ClickBank's huge. I don't like how long it takes them to pay out. And that's one of the cons with a lot of these affiliate networks. If I got an order today, it wouldn't be paid until like 30 days later, and usually it rolls to the next month. So if payments go out on the 15th of the month, I would miss that payment. And it would actually be like 40 or 50 days later that I would get the payment. So if I'm running ads to try and build up my email list so that I can send people offers, I'm gonna be waiting a long time to get paid. And that sucks because all those charges, if you run Facebook ads, they get paid right away. Like as soon as you hit a certain threshold, Facebook will take the payment from you. But the affiliate guys, they don't care. Like they'll still hold your money forever, which sucks. Flex offers, there's a couple in here I haven't even really heard about. Walmart affiliates, did you guys know that? They have an official affiliate program. Crazy. eBay, they have an affiliate program. And then there's a whole bunch of other ones that you can use too. The ones that I like best are actually the ones that are a little bit harder to find. And those are the high ticket ones. So if you go here, the best way to find these is to go and Google like the niche that you're in. So if I want to do I don't know, say I do want to do like YouTube, YouTube course. Then I'll get a whole bunch of results here, because there are a lot of guys teaching a lot of courses on YouTube. So there's Udemy, slow growth. Let's go, what course is best for YouTube? Might be a little harder. Or I could go on YouTube. I could probably find it. So I go here and I go best YouTube channel course. See what comes up. Course ranks. Free. Okay, so I know this guy's got one. Ali Abdal. I know he's got one in here, so I'm gonna pause this. But down here, he's got his Academy, 6-week live online course. So there we go. And the enrollment is closed, but if we go down here, so you find a course and then you scroll all the way to the bottom. I don't even know if he has it or not. Yeah, so this is like a 1995 course, or he's got some upgraded one, and then he's got an even bigger one. So this is a high ticket one, but what I would do is I would email him, since it's not in the bottom there, and I would say, do you have an affiliate program for your course? Because if he's paying $19.95, odds are he's got one. One of the guys that I really like, I actually did a video on him too, is this fella. See if my video comes up. Probably not. Oh, there it is. Matt Parr course review, does it suck? So that's me. I actually did a video on YouTube about his course. And the reason I did that is right here. If you go to the video and watch it, you'll see down here in the comments, I actually have his course right here. So this link right here is an affiliate link. So I get paid whenever somebody goes. So I sent them through the whole funnel to go through the free training, and then they actually can buy the course at the end of the free training. But this route is a nice way to get paid, because I like the guy's course. I know he's got it. I know he's got an affiliate program where he pays like, I think it's 50%, but I actually did this. And this, I'm finally getting listed there. I think this just started getting listed in the results, but this will pay me an affiliate commission. I don't think I've made one yet, but it hasn't been very long that I put the video up. But this is a good example of affiliate marketing and how to make money with affiliate marketing. I'm an affiliate of his course, so I get paid when somebody buys a course through my link. And my link is the one that you saw at the bottom of my video in this case. So I probably should have got their email first, but I didn't. So, I mean, there's multiple ways to do it. The way back here is the way I would recommend. So if I were going to sell not only his course, but other people's courses, I would do this route. I would do ad. It doesn't have to be a Facebook ad. Ad to opt into thank you page. I get them on my email list, and then I would start marketing to my list, because I would just find a whole bunch of YouTube marketing courses, and then I would recommend them to people if they're good. If they're not good, don't recommend them, because you lose the trust of people. But if you find one you like and it's good, email them and ask if they have an affiliate program. Sometimes they don't list it publicly. Sometimes it'll be right in the footer of the course. So if I go here, or in I think it's mattparr.com. Actually, I think you have to take the course before you can become an affiliate. I was going to check. Yeah, for him, and for a lot of these guys too, you actually have to take the course in order to become affiliate. But I don't know. I like what this kid did, so I'm an affiliate for him. Anyway, going back. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can do it. Number one way is to build an email list. Number two way is to start a YouTube channel and start promoting other people's courses on your channel. Number three is you could be like the owner of the offer too. I mean, you're still in affiliate marketing, but you're looking for affiliates, which is a whole different ballgame compared to this. So the beauty of making money with affiliate marketing is you don't have to actually create the product. You don't have to provide any customer support. The downside is you're kind of unless you build an email list, it's like you're always starting from zero. So every month you'd be starting from zero. If you were going direct from something without getting them on your email list to the offer, then you're constantly starting from zero. So in this example, initially when I said, you can make almost $15,000 a month if you sold one course per day, somebody else is at like $498.50. You would have to subtract the cost of ads from that, and ads will cost you probably over 50% of that. So to make actually it'd be even more. I would say to make 15,000 revenue, you would probably have to spend about 10 or 11,000 minimum in ads to get that sale. So you'd actually profit like $4,000 or $5,000 to do it. And then you're building somebody else's business if you don't get them on your email list. And then later on, if they're on your email list and you decide, okay, well, I'm pretty good at weight loss. I'm in the fitness niche. Why don't I create my own course? And then you've already got a nice list built up that you can actually just email them right away and start making sales right away on your own course. So I think it goes like affiliate, then your own course. That's a good way to do it. So anyway, if you have any questions about making money with affiliate marketing, let me know. If you need any help with this stuff, I got a club, howtomakemoneyonlineclub.com. Go there, check me out, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.